Hey, what's up? Hi, how's it going? It has been a windy morning and a long morning for me because Travis went back to work today. Been a windy morning and a long morning for me because Travis went back to work today. Come on, my good boy Ziki. Travis and I went to bed at like 9:30 last night and neither of us fell asleep until probably after 11, and then by 2:30 we were woken up by the freaking wind going crazy. So neither of us got really any sleep, because he just pretty much called it quits. He got on his phone for a little while at like 3 o'clock and then finally got up to get ready for work at like 4. But basically, we got like 3 hours of sleep last night because the wind has been crazy. He even got up at like 3 o'clock to go and lock the garage door so it wasn't just like slamming. Oh, it's been a crazy morning, but Calvin and the puppies are now awake. My doggy, that's not your ball. Do you want to hop up, Ziki? Here, hop up with your boys. There he is. There he is. Here, right here. Ziki, over here. Ziki, what are you? You're so weird. You're so weird. Why don't you just lay down? Here, come on. Come lay down. There you go. Lay down. Lay down. Are you hungry? You want some food? Oh, here we go. So our friends are here, but I'm gonna be extra for a second because I can. So we were all just sitting around the table and there was this loud bang. So we're like, oh, what was that? I look out front. Get them, Punchy, get them, go get them. Pacho just crawled up here. Because these guys are parked in front of our entire driveway with their trailer, not planning on going anywhere. They got stuff in the front yard. Not that I'm not trying to sound complainy, and I'm not trying to be one of those people. and I don't have anywhere to go. But what if I did? Both of our cars are in the driveway. What if we needed to leave the house as your trailer is parked in front of our driveway? Maybe I'm just extra. Oh, who cares? But like seriously, who parks in front of someone's driveway? Like park in front of the house if you want to, but not in front of my driveway. It doesn't make any sense. Or you have this entire road. Get them, Punchy, go get them. Oh, you're so fierce. What do you see? Look, Punchy is a man. Is he scary? Oh, he's so scared. He's so scared. He's so scared. So I almost forgot, 2 days ago now was Travis's birthday, and we went to Burg Gräfenstein, the Gräfenstein castle. But it was really great, and I finally got to fly my drone while we were there. It was pretty cool. When we first got there was a family leaving, and they had a couple of dogs with them. Calvin like came up over the hill, and the dogs started barking at him and like came up to him. Calvin's like, "Hey, doggies!" So the guy said something in German, and I was like, "I'm sorry." Then he was like, "Oh," he's like, "We didn't realize other people were here." And there was this family, I mean, I guess they were a family. They were all adults, but they were, I assume, all together. But it was kind of cool because they all spoke English. You could tell they all had a bit of an accent, but they all spoke English, and they were all super nice. And Travis is like, is anybody else up there? And they're like, one other person. He's like, you might not know, but would it be okay if she flies her drone? And he was like, oh yeah, they were flying a drone too. So it was kind of cool. It was kind of cool. That's the one thing I'm always like worried about, is like how other people are gonna react, and I don't know, it just kind of makes me nervous. The language barrier makes me nervous. But we are headed into the BX now. There's actually an update with the BX. Now when you enter the building, you can enter from any of the entrances or exit the building from any of the exits. But you can only enter the BX itself, the exchange portion of it, from the same entrance on the left side, the north side, I think. You can only enter from down there. It's confusing, but
I didn't even understand a word you just said.
There's a little map here that shows what I'm talking about. It makes sense. I'll show you guys when we get inside, but yeah, it's all crazy. So I got my Be Kind to Every Kind that I realized there's no dog on this shirt, which is kind of weird, but we're gonna head inside.
Wait, is there not a dog?
There's no dog. There's a cat, but there's no dog.
So weird.
Isn't it? There's a cow and your hair. We slicked Calvin's hair back today because that's how he wanted it. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna go inside. We'll see how crazy it is because it's lunchtime. Why must you?
I don't know.
See, I don't know if it made any sense, but the X is looking a little weird. I did just get, oh, this box was almost open. 2 new Burb energy bars. The maple blueberry is my favorite. And I wanted vanilla latte, but they misunderstood and sent me cookie butter. It's fine, it's a good one, but I like the vanilla latte better. We just sent out 6 packages. We sent one to my mom. We sent one to Travis's parents. We sent one to the Salcidos. We sent one to my brother-in-law and sister-in-law. We sent one to Patrick Morgan, and we sent one to Kristen McClelland. Finally. Sorry, you guys. I don't know if they watch these or not, and I don't want to ruin it, but I should have taken pictures of them. They were really cute. Those cups that we got them, we should have taken pictures, huh?
Yeah.
But I was gonna send Travis's parents one of the Germany mugs because his dad was stationed here in Germany before Travis was born. And they've been trying to come back and visit us, but then Rona happened. So I was gonna send them one of these, but they're kind of the people that, like, they don't like Walmart, they don't like Starbucks. I mean, do and don't. Like, they would rather support like smaller companies and businesses and things. Are you jumping or is somebody hitting our car? Because it feels like someone just hit our car, but you're just jumping. Can you stop?
Yes.
Thank you. So instead of getting them a Starbucks mug, which I'm sure they would have been fine with too because it says Germany, we went to the coffee bike place in the BX. It's just like a small coffee shop, and they have a bunch of cups that are only available here in Germany. So we bought 2 bamboo cups for them instead of a Starbucks mug because Calvin saw them and he wanted to send them those instead. So now we're gonna go by the commissary, but my lid's broken. See?
Oh no!
Right where the mouth thing is, so it's making it kind of hard to drink.
Ouch, it's rain.
That's not gonna work. Now we need to go to the commissary. Then I think that's it for running around. We do need to pick up Frank Joe today.
Jet Joe?
Maybe Jet Joe.
I want Jet Joe to come.
But we'll see.
Good morning, beautiful. Good morning, beautiful. You're such a happy dog. Such a happy doggy ducky. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
So we went and picked up Frank yesterday. After we were done running around, we ended up going to the BX, the post office, the commissary. We stopped by the shopette because we didn't go potty while we were inside of the commissary. And then we went by and picked up Frank. We hung out there for a while, pretty much until Travis was getting off work, and then we headed home. I unloaded all the groceries that we had gotten. I made us some dinner really quick, which was tacos and it was great. But I got up this morning when Travis was leaving for work at about 4:30. It's now about 8:45, so Calvin is slowly waking up. Frank is still sleeping, and I have been up for a while. I haven't done a whole lot, but I do have plans for today. Like tackling this chalkboard that I meant to do yesterday. We'll see if that happens. But thank you guys so much for being here. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Some of the crazy weather, some of our adventures on Travis's birthday. But yeah, we'll see you guys next time. So thank you so much for being here. But for now, that was that, and we'll see you when we see you. Bye.